Welcome. And before we go ahead, I want you to stay with me for a few minutes. Not because it's just another video, but because maybe, just maybe, this is the moment you finally stop fighting your mind alone. Have you ever noticed? No matter how far you try to walk into your future, your mind keeps turning back to the same old scenes? Those moments you wish you could change. Those decisions you wish you could erase. Those people you wish you never trusted. Or never lost. You're here right now. But your thoughts are still standing somewhere behind you. It's like your brain is pressing replay again and again, showing you the same past, the same pain, the same memory you hate remembering, but still can't forget. And you try to move forward, but something inside you whispers, look back once. Maybe this time it will feel different. But it never does. That's exactly what this boy in the image represents. His future is bright, open, waiting, but he is still stuck staring at the dark corner of his past. Not because he loves the pain, but because the mind loves familiarity more than growth. And maybe you're like him right now, thinking about the past again, falling into the same thoughts again, searching for what if, why me, what could have happened, even though your present is silently asking, hey, what about me? I'm happening right now. Let me ask you something honestly. How many moments of your real life have you missed because your mind was busy living inside memories of a time that doesn't even exist anymore? You know the truth. We all do. Thinking about the past doesn't change it. Worrying about the future doesn't fix it. But ignoring the present? That ruins both. Still, you and I both know how hard it is. If letting go was easy, no one would suffer. No one would cry. No one would stay awake at 3 a.m. replaying old scenes in their head. But we do. Because the past is powerful. And the mind is emotional. And healing is slow. But here's something you've probably never been told. You don't have to erase your past to move forward. You just have to stop living in it. Your past is a chapter. Not your home. Not your identity. Not your punishment. Just a chapter. And today, I want to tell you something simple. Not as a motivational speaker, not as a guru, just as someone who understands. You deserve a life that isn't controlled by memories. You deserve peace that isn't stolen by regret. You deserve a future that isn't blocked by your own thoughts. If you're still stuck in old stories, it doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. It means you felt deeply. It means you cared. And caring is never a crime. But now it's time to care about yourself too. Before I tell you what to do next, I want you to ask yourself quietly, if I keep thinking about my past every day, then who is living my present? Because you can't hold your future with the same hands that are gripping your past. And now, if you truly want to break free, if you're tired of overthinking, tired of replaying, tired of feeling stuck, then listen carefully, because I'm going to tell you something important in the next moment. Click on the video. Not for me, but for you. Because I want only those people who actually listen, who actually think, who actually want to change something in their life, even if it's little. Watch it with an open mind. Let the words go in. Let the message hit where it needs to. And if it makes you feel something, if even one line connects with your heart, then do something for me. Comment your thoughts. Share this with someone who is stuck in their past. And subscribe. Not for numbers, but because I want to walk with you on this journey. This channel isn't about perfection. It's about healing. It's about understanding yourself. It's about breaking free, step by step, day by day. So stay, listen, think, and let's grow together. Thank you for being here. Your present deserves you.